Using email in Microsoft Outlook can be a breeze, but safety should always be top of mind. First, take advantage of Outlook's built-in security features. Spam and malware filtering automatically keeps unwanted emails at bay, but don't stop there. If you spot a suspicious email, block the sender with just a few clicks. And if you think it's phishing, report it immediately. Managing your safe and blocked senders lists is crucial too. Trust your instincts. If an email looks off, it probably is. If you're using Microsoft 365, keep an eye out for external email warnings and unsafe link alerts. Always hover over links before clicking, and be cautious with attachments, especially from unknown senders. Enable two-factor authentication for that extra layer of security, and don't forget to keep your software updated. Staying informed about phishing tactics is your best defense. Remember, your vigilance is key to a secure email experience.